and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my daughter Natalie in the kitchen with me.
Hi guys.
And together we're going to be showing you how to make a super easy and delicious apple salad. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned
and I'll show you how.
Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 8 apples,
16 strawberries,
sliced peaches,
pineapple tidbits,
1 can of condensed milk,
1 can of table cream,
1 cup of sour cream,
4 ounces of cream cheese,
2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend,
1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes,
small marshmallows,
and pecans. These are ingredients. Now let's get started.
Alright guys, so first we're going to start by washing our strawberries and our apples very good. Alright, so after that, we're going to get our juice from the peaches and the pineapples. So be careful. Open the other one. Careful. Okay, so now we're just going to get the juice. Do the same with your pineapple. I think we got most of it out. And if not, it's okay because we're going to use the juice to blend it with our cremas. Alright guys, so in our blender, we're going to blend our cream cheese, our media crema. Slow, please. We don't play right now. Our sweetened condensed milk. You're gonna need this spatula. Our 1 cup of sour cream. And 2 teaspoons of our Mexican vanilla blend. 2 of these.
Okay, so we'll try this one. Uno. Dos.
Okay. And with our juice, we're going to grab half a cup. Add it in there. Now let me go rinse this. We're going to put our lid. Make sure it's closed, right?
Yeah.
And blend everything together until we have a very smooth liquid. Alright, so after everything has liquefied, we are ready to move on. Alright, so first we're going to start by chopping our strawberries. So remove the green, the little leaves. And then of course it's going to depend on how you want to cut your strawberries. Me, I'm going to cut them like that. And then cut them in half. Okay, so do that with all your strawberries. And then start placing them in a big bowl where we're going to be making our salad. Okay, so after that, we're going to chop our apples. Now, if you want to peel your apples, that's going to be optional. I personally like my apple with the peeling, so we're going to keep it like that. We're just going to slice them in half. And then start cutting it. And then like that. And then transfer them with your strawberries. If you have this thingy,
You can use it.
use it.
It's really helpful.
So after that, we're going to grab our peaches and cut them into fours, just like that.
Can I help you?
Yeah. So transfer it with your apples. I think we're gonna need a larger bowl. Alright, so next just pour your pineapple. Okay. Then we're going to add our coconut flakes, and I'm going to add half of it, half of the cup. Or maybe more than the half, and then the rest is going to be for decorating once we're done. Okay, go ahead and mix. Pátelo. Alright, so next we're going to add some marshmallows.
Are you ready?
Don't add too much, just add like about a couple handfuls.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
A couple more. Forgot you got little hands. Okay, that's good. So we use about half a bag. And of course, the ingredients, is going to be up to you on if you like them or not. This is how we like our salad.
Yep.
Okay, so our pecans, I'm going to crush them because we got the halves. And of course, the pecans, if you don't like pecans, you can replace them for walnuts or whatever nuts you like. All right, so we're going to add our crushed pecans. And again, I like to keep some for the end. Okay, so mix it. All right, so now we're going to pour our mixture of cremas. Go ahead and mix them up.
That's a lot of crema.
Yeah. It's very similar to the fresas con crema. If you like fresas and crema, you're going to love this.
Is that good?
Okay, I'm gonna add more because we still have some more.
Just a little.
Good. And what I mean like about the extra coconut and the pecans, because if you're taking this to a party,
Yeah.
of course you want to make it presentable, so flatten it all out.
Okay.
Once everything is well mixed. Okay. Now sprinkle the pecans. Make sure that it gets all.
I said like Kelly.
Okay. Like that. So that's it.
I'm sorry. Do you have a pecan?
Yeah. Okay, well, since Natalie sprinkled all of our pecans in one spot,
I can do that.
we're just going to sprinkle the coconut, just like that. And that is basically it. That's it. We have our delicious apple salad.
Now time to enjoy.
And of course, you can refrigerate it before serving, so like that, everything is nice and cool. And it's so perfect to enjoy on a summer night, summer day, whatever. So, you ready?
Yep.
I'm so ready to
let's-
serve. Yeah, so I already served the kids, and look at this. They already came back for more. But anyways, back to the video. Ready? Don't eat it yet. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
Taste test.
Yes, we are all ready.
Okay, let me mix mine.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Cheers. Cheers. Mmm. Super delicious. Wow. This is so perfect, you guys. When you don't know what to take for your family gatherings, this is perfect. Everybody will enjoy it. It's sweet, but not so sweet, it's perfect.
Mm.
What do you think? What? You need a spoon, huh?
I dropped my phone.
And like I said, you guys, the fruits, you know, you can even replace them with whatever your favorite fruits are. I think this is perfect the way it is, but of course, if you don't like something, you can always replace it. And the coconut makes, I love coconut, so
Yeah.
for me on here, it's just delicious. The pecans, the marshmallows, it just adds like the little texture, you know, it's just perfect.
So good. Cheers, Mom.
Go ahead, come.
Yeah.
Go, give me a spoon.
And you pants and a shirt.
Alright guys, and there you have it, how we make a super easy and delicious apple salad. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video.
Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.